what happened is that he asked me one question, and then when I look at him, although he was sitting, he was extremely drunk. And then, even before I respond, that I cousin, then the emissary of health rise up and say, she was on tears because she knew exactly what the damage that the premier is causing, hitting me in front of everyone, hitting me in public space. Then I was carrying the stick. And then I got an opportunity to hit him back and hard. That's what was going to happen. Because now, amongst us, someone has to be superior and think about the rest of the South African people that were there.